Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. Now, many people do ask whether it's normal for their Samsung front-load washing machine to have low water levels during the wash cycle. So in today's video, I'll be discussing water levels in the Samsung front-load washing machines. The Samsung front-load washing machine normally use high-efficiency HE detergent and as little water as possible for energy efficiency. The water levels appear to be too low, but this is nothing to get worried about. It's very normal with the Samsung front-load washer. Now, I've been using this machine for the past 2 years and I've seen no problem. In fact, my clothes usually comes out more clean and without using regardless of the less water in the drum. Now the question would be, how do these front load washing machines work? Now front load washers work by filling the bottom of the inner tub with a small amount of water and uses the rotation of the tub and gravity to move the clothes through the water. Just like the tumbling action found in a clothes dryer, the side paddles on the inside of the drum lift the clothes and move them in and out of the water. This provides the necessary scrubbing needed to remove soil from the fabric. Now, this kind of cleaning does not require that clothes be surrounded by water at all times. That's why the front load washer uses less water compared to the top load washing machine. Now, less water also means less detergent, which brings me to another important issue. If you have a front load washing machine, you must make sure to use an HE detergent. That means high efficiency detergent. And this machine does not require a lot of detergent. If you use excessive detergents, it will result to a sudsing condition. I have done a comprehensive video on how to fix and clear the SUD error. I'll leave the specific link in the description box so you can go watch. If you're having an SUD error, you can go watch that video. I've also done videos on how to fix 4C error. I've done videos how to fix the 5C error, the DC error, and many other Samsung washing machine problems. We've come to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Also smash that like button and support your guy here. I'll truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.